I'm going to tell you 10 ways you can start thinking like a product manager. First important thing to keep in mind is to wonder about everything, not just on the job, but in your daily life. Have an open mind about new concepts, ideas, people, places, and things, just for the purpose of being as well-rounded as you can about the world and the people in it. The second piece is to look for a deeper meaning. Don't just take surface insights. Look for deeper meaning behind everything that you see and everything that you hear. That gets to the third thing you can do to start thinking like a PM. Think about improving all aspects of life. The things and products that you interact with on a day-to-day basis. Think about how you can improve these experience, products, situations. And don't stop on the first level of insight also. Don't just analyze a product for 5 minutes and think it's obvious that we need to do A, B, and C. Usually, if that's not being done, if the products that you think can be easily improved with 3 things are not being improved day after day, month after month, don't stop at the surface level of insight. Think about what may be going on that is preventing the product team from making these changes. It might lead you to interesting decisions. Now that you're always thinking about improving every aspect of everything that you interact with on a day-to-day basis, it can lead you down a lot of questions, which is good. You want to be thinking about how you can improve all these things so that you can make life better for people. You can solve the problems that people have. This next piece is how to get quick wins. So think about it from the business side of things. How can you make the best improvements, the best 3, 4, 5 improvements that are going to give the business the biggest impact? For instance, what are the most meaningful things that you would do for this particular product? And think about that. That's the idea of low-hanging fruit. Quick wins, right? How would you maximize impact in the shortest amount of time possible for every product or service? The next one is to ask why all the time about everything. Why do users do the things that they do? Why is this product built the way that it is? What's the actual motivation underneath some decisions that the user makes or that we make as humans? The next one could be the most important one of all, and that's have empathy. Be kind to people. Sounds like something that actually all of us should do anyway, but be kind to people and actively listen, actively try to understand what their problems are. Having empathy is one of the key skills that you need to have as a product manager. Next way you can start thinking as a product manager is to finish what you start. Try to set reasonable goals in a way that you can actually achieve them, and try not to leave too many things undone. Unless, of course, you asked why enough times to uncover that there really is no reason to be doing this thing. Another important way to start thinking as a product manager is to consider alternatives. Consider different ways, different approaches, different solutions to a particular problem. Don't stop at one. Try to see if you can come up with multiple options to solve a certain problem, and then try to figure out a way that you can actually evaluate each option against the others. How are you going to make that choice? How are you going to be able to compare apples to oranges? The next way to start thinking like a product manager is to exercise your decision-making muscles. Make more decisions, make decisions faster, and learn how to make decisions when you don't have all the data, or sometimes when you have very little or none of the data. And if you like this video, make sure to smash the like button, and of course subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you don't miss anything. Let me know down in the comments which one of these you're going to start doing today. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next time.